What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2009 Ford Escape. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the blower motor today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. And the reason why we're replacing it is because the bearing inside is really noisy. It's still working, it's just really noisy. So let's do this. My favorite thing, dash work. You probably wonder why I got oil filter pliers. You're going to see. Let's get up under here. I got a light mounted down there. Put your pliers on there and twist it. Oh, let me get a better grip on it. Yeah, I probably should have got a different pair of pliers, but we're gonna make this work. Now, if you have a really big pair of channel locks, you can do that too with the channel locks. Twist it counterclockwise and drop it down and unplug it. Put your new one up in there. Find a sweet spot and just twist it. Yes, until you feel it click into place. Vent back on. Plug her back in. Just like that. That's simple. Anyways, hopefully I got that captured real good. Doing dash work, it's kind of hard to get on the camera, so I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe, check, like. Peace out, YouTube.